Rich-ZhYao electrophoretic coating production line provides excellent protection for metal parts. The production line integrates the surface pretreatment and electrophoresis process of the workpiece, enabling the coating to penetrate every minute corner of the workpiece without blind spots. It has excellent anti-corrosion performance and a smooth and uniform surface. Intelligent and automated design enables unmanned operation, which is energy-saving and highly efficient. As a national high-tech enterprise, we own independent intellectual property rights and strictly control quality. The 26,000 square meter production base ensures the capacity for large-scale delivery. From scheme design to installation and commissioning, we offer one-stop service and lifetime technical support. With 30 years of experience, we are committed to making coating more environmentally friendly and intelligent. We are your reliable equipment supplier.
Rich-ZhYao. Together, we color the world.